Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick how-to video. My name's Hamish, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a steering servo into your RC car. Now, whether you're replacing a dead servo or upgrading it to get better steering performance, these simple steps and tricks will help ensure proper function and servo longevity. Start by removing the servo from channel 1 on the receiver, and then begin to remove the servo from the car. On this particular model, you'll first need to remove the two countersunk screws under the chassis that hold the servo mounts into place. Then remove the steering linkage from the servo horn. Once you have clear access, you can then remove the 4 screws holding the servo into the mounts. Then remove the screw that holds the servo horn onto the servo spline. I recommend checking your steering rack to make sure it's moving freely and that the servo saver is set correctly to prevent burning out or stripping your new servo. Now start to reinstall the new servo by screwing it into the servo mounts. Then plug the servo lead into channel 1 on the receiver, making sure to get the polarity right. Turn on the transmitter and make sure that the steering trim is set to 0. Then turn on the car. Now we do this to make sure that the steering servo is centered before we put the servo horn on. Now that the servo is centered, we want to install the servo horn into the correct position on the servo spline. Do this by test fitting the servo horn and steering linkage, and then sitting the servo into position on the car. The idea is to get the front wheels as straight as possible without needing to use the steering trim. You should only use the trim to fine-tune the steering. To achieve the best wheel alignment, you may need to play around and adjust the position of the servo horn. Once you are happy with the position of the servo horn and the wheel alignment, go ahead and install the servo horn screw. If you're upgrading to a metal geared servo like I am, be sure to use the included fine threaded screw and not the factory coarse threaded screw for the servo horn, as it can damage your new servo's thread. Also, when tightening up the screw, be sure to hold the servo horn and not to over tighten it. Then reinstall the 2 countersunk screws that hold the servo into the chassis, tidy up the servo wire, and you're ready for a weekend of fun. Well, thanks for watching guys. I hope you found this video useful, and if you want to be notified on any of our upcoming RC related videos, be sure to subscribe.